Hello everyone, welcome back to LoDe Life in UK channel. Today, I want to share with you a light and refreshing dish called vegetarian fresh spring rolls, the cuốn chay. That is made with vegetables, clear vermicelli and tofu wrapped in rice paper. It is ideal for detoxifying your body. Please make this dish with me. Add the rice to the frying pan and roast it over low heat until it turns into a light golden color like this and releases a nutty fragrance. The rice should have been rinsed and drained to dry before. Let them cool completely. I will return to this later. I sliced tofu about 7 mm on the kitchen towels. By this way, the kitchen towels will absorb the water from the tofu. This will prevent splattering when I fry the tofu. Next, I shred carrots into small strips and put them aside. Continue to shred the sweet potatoes and normal potatoes, then squeeze the liquid out of them and put them separate. Slide the shallots and separate them. And then chop the chili into small pieces. Put the clear vermicelli into a bowl. Soak them in hot water. Put this aside. I come back to the roasted rice. Grind it until it turns into fried powder. Now, I am making the dipping sauce. Put into the saucepan 2.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 7 tablespoons of water. Two tablespoons of sugar. Boil this mixture and the sugar will melt completely. This is the apple vinegar. I use 1 teaspoon of it. Add chopped chili. Sliced garlic if you like. You can change the amount of ingredients to suit your taste. All the ingredients are prepared. Now I begin to fry the tofu. This is homemade tofu that I made. There is a link on the top right that will direct you to video homemade tofu. Next, I fry potatoes. I put them into a dish that is big enough to mix the mixture. Later, sweet potatoes to make it crispy. Fry shallots and put it aside. Now the fried tofu is cool. I cut them into strips. Put the wok back onto the oven over low heat. Add into the wok 2 teaspoons of soy sauce and 1 teaspoon of sugar. Stir this until the sugar melts. Add the tofu and stir until no liquid remains. Put them into the dish. Add a teaspoon of oil into the wok. Add the carrots. Stir. And add half a teaspoon of vegetable seasoning powder and stir until you do not see the liquid in the wok. Put this into the dish. When the water is boiling, add the clear vermicelli. Stir until they are cooked, but not overcooked to keep them chewy. Use the sieve to grind them and immediately add into the same dish. Cut them into short segments and add a tablespoon of vegetable seasoning powder and half a tablespoon of sugar quickly. I boil the vermicelli last so that the heat helps the seasoning powder and the sugar to dissolve and soak into them and the other ingredients. Add 1/3 of the roasted rice powder at the time and mix well. The roasted rice powder is the important ingredient that will give vegetarian fresh spring roll cuốn chay a distinctive and unique flavor. Lastly, add the fried shallots. Now I place the piece of rice paper with the rub side facing me on the rice towel. Use another towel soaked in the warm water and rub it over the rice paper. I do not apply water to the outer side, so the spring rolls will not be stuck together, although being stuck together. Wait until the rice paper is flexible enough to roll. Keep the rub side facing up. Put on a little herb and lettuce. A little filling. Fold from the bottom up, hold tight, and roll once. Fold the sides in, then continue rolling to the end. I now have a very wonderful spring roll. I am cutting it into 2 halves, so you can see what it looks like inside. Dip into the sauce and enjoy. It is very delicious. It tastes sweet, crunchy, fatty taste, and a unique aroma that cannot be described. Please give it a go and experience the delicate yet irresistible flavors of this dish. And do not forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time.